Hey, what's up you guys? This is Junior Trader, and in this video we are taking a look at SMCI stock, and we'll talk about the price action and most importantly this trade position that you are seeing over here on my chart. Has this trade triggered for me? I'll go over what is my thesis going into this short play and what is this again another pivotal moment that this massive moves is about to happen, both either to the upside or to the downside. We'll talk about what will lead to those moves in this video. So with that, please hit the like and subscribe, and also please note none of this is any financial advice and it's only for education purposes. All right, so before going further, I also want to just let you know that this is my another channel, Junior Trader Dividend Investing channel, where I am building a portfolio based off of the dividend stocks, and it's going to be a dividend based growth portfolio. So if you want to follow along the journey, please subscribe to this channel, check out videos over here as well. Today I did one on my week 2 profit and loss portfolio update. So yeah, check out these videos guys if you are interested. All right, there's Tesla ETFs as well here that I'm buying. So what is all about that? You will find everything here. Okay, so let's go back here. You can find the link to that channel in this description as well of the video, okay? Now, so SMCI, what we have been seeing on this, well, let's talk about the structure first. We have been talking about these potential pivots forming and it will start to go higher. We have been getting those pivots and all this move has been happening. Now, technically, structure is still holding bullish on SMCI. This is the area, 834 level will decide if a structure break happens to the downside. And so 834 handles that, marks that, and so far you can see with the combination of in the confluence with 20 days moving average, that's where we are getting bought back up, right? So this is where things have been going to be holding a support here so far, right? Now this is where I was saying that the reason I even have a short play here, it didn't trigger, it didn't open yet because the price never broke below around 835, right? So for the reasons that we have been constantly failing 50 days moving average here. No matter how many times we have tried to even go up, we even sold off at the previous recent supply zone, just that's what forming a double top. And then it went lower, but it's failing to go lower than 835. Now this is where it becomes a little bit tricky, but at the same time, the structure is weak, but structure is still holding bullishness, right? Junior Trader, this is just getting too confusing. Right, exactly. Trading, if it was just easy peasy, there are times that charts would be easy peasy, but this is where your skills comes into play as you grow eventually. Like these are the things that trains you from taking you from one level of trading to the next level, right? When you start understanding these complex structures of the charts, and that's where the variables based off of my equations that I build all my trades based off the confluence, that how much probability or the strength bulls have and how much probability and the strength bears have. So let's do that now. So what is in the bullish favor, bull's favor? And that is we are still holding a pivot here. All right. We are still in this technically a daily level uptrend. But we are seeing that bears are constantly selling off at that supply zone, not even letting a single candle from more than a week close above 50 days moving average. This sell-off, that price went up to 971 and then sold off back down to 835. Guys, that's like how much of the move is that? That's more than $100 move. That's like $120 move in a day. So if I take you to the hourly interval and let's take our measuring tool here, that particular day SMCI gave a range of $136, right? Like that tells you that sellers are sitting over here, right? But anyway, so that's what brings me to, if we break this level, because technically bears are holding strong up there, right? We are talking as in the bear case right now. That's why if we lose the level of 836, this structure that is still holding daily bullish right now will fully lose its strength and will start to become bearish, and that's why I have marked this play to be opened over here, 835 and lower, and then I'll take partial profits at these significant levels. So And that's where it's like a right now tug of war between bulls and the bears, and that's why the short play is not opened on my end. Okay, now can this thing turn bullish? Is there a chance? If that has to happen on daily interval, we need to get out and above a 50 days moving average, and at this point above 911 again. That would confirm sort of this pivot, all right, because we are taking out a significant level with the pivot formation, right? And then that may lead us back to the upside. So let's go to the hourly interval. And why that is also a possibility, because on hourly interval you can see we have a strong wick at 200 hours moving average. That means buyers are trying to hold it. So you get my point, right? This could be still anyone's game here. And that's why my short play is below that level of 834, because that's where the structure to the downside break and continuation would be. But if we continue to hover even above 880, that already is looking strength, looking to the upside already on intraday, as long as we are not losing this 20 and 200 hours moving average. So yeah, there's a potential that upside can come on this. Okay, so either way, this thing is a strong move that can come on this. So looking at hourly interval, honestly, to me looks like it want to go up, but then I'm also seeing the supply zone, right? So at this point, it's more about trading level by level and intraday. But yeah, swing is definitely below 835, at least on the short side. But that will, as I said, below 835. That's the structure break. But intraday long, yes, it's looking like it want to continue higher. And if we recapture the things, stay up here for quite some time, yeah, either it's going to stay intraday long and then may become choppy in the supply zone. But that's why for SMCI, my opinion is that intraday long can be traded, not swing long, intraday long. Okay, my opinion, just my opinion. You can go and do whatever you want to do. You can go and buy at the $1,000 or whatever you want to do. Do whatever you want to do. Okay, that's your choice. Your money, your choice. And then I would be only playing short if it goes below 835. Otherwise, yeah, this is an intraday long, because as I just showed you on hourly interval, it is looking like a strong strength here. Yeah, it's looking a strong strength, and it has a room to continue. At least intraday's pullbacks may continue go higher, and then we are watching these $911 range. But yeah, since it's already out and above of 881, where some structure I'm seeing that it broke but got bought back up. Yeah, so, and yeah, look at this wick, this sell-off. Wow, right? Like these things really are crazy as well. So that's where it makes me, this is the reason that I'm saying it's not a swing long but intraday long, because I'm not sure yet until I see the price action up there at 970 if it gets there, if price is going to again sell off there or not, because it's a huge supply zone, guys. It's a huge supply zone that has come at the previous top, previous top, right? So you can't unsee that. Okie dokie. Well, guys, that's pretty much it for SMCI. Yeah, if you found it helpful, valuable, please hit the like and subscribe. And with that, I will see you in my next videos. And if you need access to my tools, guys, links are in the description below of this video. All right, take care. Bye.